Hey everyone, welcome back to your go-to place for everything about motorcycles, reviews and more. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Now, let's get right into it. Today we're diving into one of the most anticipated motorcycles of 2026, the Yamaha Tracer 9. Yamaha has been a consistent player in the motorcycle industry for years, and with the release of the 2026 Tracer 9, they're showing they've once again delivered a powerful and versatile bike designed for adventure lovers, long-distance travelers and everyday riders. Whether you're a Yamaha enthusiast or someone considering a sport touring bike, the 2026 Tracer 9 is worth talking about. The 2026 model gets a slight update in terms of bodywork with a more refined, compact design compared to previous iterations. The slightly narrower profile makes the bike easier to handle, especially for those with a smaller frame or new to the sport touring class. The color schemes remain bold with vibrant reds, deep blues and sleek blacks, maintaining the Yamaha Tracer's strong presence on the road. Family known for its smooth power delivery and excellent mid-range torque. With this engine, the Tracer 9 offers a remarkable balance of performance and practicality. The bike delivers around 120 horsepower, which is more than enough to get you cruising at highway speeds and tackling winding mountain roads. Yamaha has also refined the engine's tuning, making it smoother and more responsive, which is especially noticeable when you're transitioning between gears. To strike a perfect balance between comfort and handling, and the 2026 Yamaha Tracer 9 absolutely nails this balance. It comes equipped with a fully adjustable KYB suspension system, featuring both front and rear adjustments for compression, rebound and preload. This makes the Tracer 9 extremely versatile whether you're cruising down a smooth highway or navigating a bumpy back road. You can adjust the suspension to suit your needs. The front forks are 41 min KYB inverted forks which provide excellent stability and control. The rear shock is a monoshock with an adjustable preload, giving you the flexibility to fine-tune the ride according to your preferences or weight. Speaking of ride modes, the Tracer 9 comes with multiple riding modes that allow you to adjust the throttle response, engine power and traction control settings. There's also a custom mode, allowing riders to fine-tune the settings to match their specific preferences and riding style. The bike also features Yamaha's D-Mode system, which adjusts engine characteristics based on your riding preferences. Whether you want a smooth, relaxed ride or a more aggressive, sporty feel, the D-Mode system gives you the flexibility to control your experience. Safety is another area where the Tracer 9 excels. It comes with a suite of advanced features like a 6-axis IMU, inertial measurement unit, that works in conjunction with the bike's electronic systems. This allows for more precise traction control and cornering ABS, enhancing stability and safety in challenging riding conditions.